Alright, if you got this far, that's great. Hopefully you did not tighten these too much, because there's one more step before you get this all done. But it's easier to get this part done before you put the other one on, simply because if you're trying to grab these screws from underneath and you have two spacers in there moving around, and then you have to add this huge piece on top of the screw, it just makes it really challenging for you to be able to find all the different pieces. So what I like to do is have this all set up, and then slowly but surely you'll be able to remove some of these pieces and then put the thing on top. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to loosen all of these out to about this much. One. Do the same thing for this one. Just loosen it out. And then it'll be really easy to put them in place and add that part. Now I wish they'd done this the opposite way, because I'm pretty sure you could do it the opposite way, but I think the reason why they don't do that is because then to use this thing here to tighten this wrench to tighten it from underneath the machine when there's not a lot of space down here is also challenging. So I think they went with, you know, one thing is a little bit more challenging than the other, and they just made a choice. So anyway, to get to here, you'll just unscrew this one, put it through, and then re-screw it on, and it shouldn't be too hard. Anyway, I'll do this and see you in the next video.